that in there, you can't put your tools in.
Yeah.
There's your tool change. What do you want? Spindle.
Yep.
S.
We'll step up the spindle.
1,000. Like I said, this doesn't. That spindle hardly ever gets turned on.
Yeah.
That's max.
Okay.
Believe it or not,
4,000.
that's 4,000.
Yeah.
That's it. Bad part. It's hard to tap.
Yeah.
This is hard to tap in.
All for rigid tapping.
Yeah, it doesn't have the balls.
Okay.
Just so everybody knows that
That's
that
fine.
really doesn't have the balls to tap.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
So let's move. Do we move rotary? We'll move rotary. And if we just move we'll move the perfect. Okay. So there's no. All it is MDI mode, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is. I can move it off for you. Move. A. Back to the home position it was at last time.